Salut! My name is Anne Fraukaus. I was the project manager of this project. My job was to lead our team, to coordinate and to support them, and sometimes also to kick their butts a little bit. Our goal was to build a card shuffler and dealer for Swiss playing cards. Now you will get to know my team and our product.
Senior cards can be used for many different card games played with Swiss playing cards. You can enter the number of players, the number of cards to be dealt by player, as well as the number of decks that are played with by pushing the first button. To switch between those entries, the fourth button needs to be pushed.
Hello, my name is Ana Lopez.
And my name is Alex Meyer. Together we were in charge of all constructions.
What I like about this project is being able to have the end product in the hand, that you could experience the whole process, from the detail engineering to the end product.
I really enjoyed the weekends that were non-existing. Oh, sorry, I mean the creation from a thought to finished product.
The biggest challenge I found was communication between the people. It's difficult to explain elaborate ideas in such a way that everyone really understands them. Another challenge was the time management for the different milestones.
Time scheduling and to squeeze every idea that came from the team into a 3D working model were a big challenge. But the biggest challenge were the communications and not to be aggressive, cynical.
After you've entered all the information, you can push the second button to start the shuffling and dealing process. When the machine starts shuffling, it first splits the deck into two stacks using a treadmill. In the second step, they get rejoined into one stack again using two wheels that are able to pull out a random number of cards.
My name is Nicolas Wulzi. I was responsible to build the machine, meaning using the laser cutters to assemble the machine and to 3D print. But I lucky, thanks Alex, we could print our 3D parts on his own 3D printer at home. The biggest challenge for me was to adjust the machine to run perfectly, figure out the fastest way to assembly when we had to change some parts, get the problem the machine had and found a solution with the construction. But the most personal challenge was, I am Italian and on Sunday my father always made his great pasta for lunch. But I had nothing better to do than to come here and work on the project. I don't have any idea when I last eat pasta and that it's not good for my soul.
During the second step of shuffling, all the cards fall onto another treadmill. As soon as the shuffling process is over,